don't use that vendor. Do not use that seller. There's no 20-inch for 400 rand. Hello, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel, All Things Manteme. Yes, I am very grateful for all the subscribers. Thank you so much, guys. And for those who are just watching and not subscribing, kindly subscribe to my channel. So I'm going to give you a few tips that you need to know when you are buying hair from Aliexpress. I'm really going to be very quick with them because I have lots and lots of things to do, and I thought this is very necessary, right? First, you need to download Aliexpress app on your phone, and that is going to help you to familiarize yourself with the app much better. You're going to get to know the app, get to know how to use it, get to know how to buy. You're just gonna know the app better, you understand? So I would advise you to download the Aliexpress app. Number 2 is making a thorough research before you get scammed, before you buy and you send money and you don't receive hair or you receive fake hair. You understand? Make a research on your own. Check the prices. Sometimes if price is too good to be true, you need to question it. If you see like 20-inch clueless wig, human hair, HD, transparent lace for 400 rand, you just need to know that no, that's not a good deal for you.
There's no 20-inch for 400 rand.
You understand? So get to research, get to see the app, get to see which person might be possibly lying here. And also when you see prices that are too much, and if you're not ready to pay a lot of money, there are other stores that can also offer you something better, good hair, but with better money. It doesn't mean just because it's expensive, you're gonna receive like good hair. But all in all, do your research. And how are you gonna do your research? I highly advise you to go on TikTok. TikTok is your #1 research app. If you want anything, go to TikTok and search wig influencers. You're gonna find a lot of them. But if you're in Africa, I would highly recommend to look for South African wig influencers because the girlies buy the hair a lot. You understand? And they use lots of sellers from Aliexpress, so they give you more options, and you get to see the reviews of those stores and everything from them. You just hear a lot of people talking about the certain store, the bad experience, the good experience. You just weigh. But I really think TikTok is the one that is going to help you to finally decide to buy your hair. And when you are on TikTok, I highly recommend you use links on the bio, and that link will take you straight to the shop on Aliexpress. And now you have a time to scroll and check, and you even check the reviews. Those are real reviews, and I highly advise that you check South African reviews, especially if you are in Africa. Use South African reviews because, like I said, the girlies in South Africa buy hair a lot from Aliexpress. So when you buy, use my link, and then that link will take you straight to the shop. Now, when you now purchase your hair, when you finally make a payment, there's a place that says apply promo. Then come and use the promo code that I'm gonna give you for this January. I'm going to get a discount of maybe 10% or 20%, and you find yourself saving some coins. Number 3, check the communication of the seller. When you are trying to buy something, before you put your money in there, try to communicate with the seller. Let's say you select the hair. You're not yet bored, right? You select the hair, you put it in the basket. When you add it to your cart, it's gonna show you specifications, what. Then down there's a small icon that says contact seller. Use that icon. Contact the seller and say, hi, I want to buy hair. I saw it from a certain influencer. Or you can even say, hi, I am an influencer. I want to buy hair from you, and I'm gonna give you guys a review. Check how long they take to reply you. I I would say the maximum should be a day. Like if it's 3 days and have not replied to you, don't use that vendor. Do not use that seller. Go to other people. Use other shops. You understand? Because where I bought hair at Simon Show store, they were so good. Their communication is top tier. You panic right now, they are there. You say, hi, I want to buy hair. I want to do this. They are there for you. You understand? It's going to also help you in case you are not satisfied with your hair, or there's a fault, or there's a delay, there's what. It's going to help you to communicate with them, and they communicate with you. They calm you down to let you know that your hair is going to come. And even before you purchase, you need to ask questions like, okay, is my hair going to arrive? After how long? All those kind of things you need to ask them before you even take your money out. And also in case of maybe you want to return the hair and you want a refund, a company that communicates well will do you well. You must know exactly what you want. Take time to learn wigs. So they will advertise a long 30-inch, very beautiful, with a beautiful lady, professional picture, and they will say 1,000. And in your head, you are thinking that 30-inch is 1,000. When you add to cart, you're gonna add specifications that I want 16-inch, I want 10-inch. Like my hair is 16-inch, right? I couldn't afford the 30-inch or 24 at the moment. You understand? So when you add those specifications, 13 by 4 meaning 13, meaning from here to here, the lace is reaching from here to here, the closure, and then 4 to here. I don't know if it's 4 centimeter or 4 inch. You understand? So when you are adding those specifications, obviously the price is going to change a little bit. You understand? You need to know the kind of hair that you are looking for. If you don't know, ask the seller. If you don't know, ask the TikTokers. People on TikTok, learn these things. Don't just buy hair without any clue, like totally. If you don't know, ask someone who knows. You can ask me on my DM, on my Facebook, on my WhatsApp. You can ask me if you have my contact. You understand? So familiarize yourself with hair also. You need to know what the wigs comes with. Mine came with a wig cap. There were 2. It comes with lashes. Whatever they said it's gonna come with, it's gonna come with. You understand? So that when you buy, you know what you're expecting. You understand? Okay, the other thing is a lot of people actually realize they want clueless hair, especially the ones who don't know hair, who are really not interested in installing wigs like we do. When you order your hair, order a ready to wear wig. The same hair, but you want ready to wear. You understand? Communicate that with the seller that I want ready to wear. When you are selecting hairs, you are checking which hair you want. Look for ready to wear. If you don't want to be installing, putting clues and putting what, you just want a wig that you can put on and it's nice. Select ready to wear. And if you are someone who is interested in installing hair and all that, then you can just look for frontal wig. Obviously you have to customize it when it comes, but communicate that with the seller just so that she or he helps you to buy the hair that you want. Jump on sales. When they have like these massive sales, use those sales like Black Friday, like January. Like now they do have a January special, maybe February they're gonna have for Valentine. Just jump on those sales. Don't be quick to buy. Jump on sales, and you can get good deals from the right stores using the link on my bio. My experience with Simon Show hair store was amazing. Like, I don't wanna lie, guys, they are so good. Communication top tier. They make sure that I'm rest assured. You understand? Till the day I received my hair, even after they kept on asking, do you love your hair? I'm like, no, I haven't used my hair. I'm gonna tell you guys, but I love it. Don't worry. You understand? They are that good. So I would really recommend that you use the link on my bio so that it takes you to Simon Show store. You understand? Yes, you can explore other stores, but if you are a beginner, I recommend you use my link because you're gonna be in good hands. You understand? So that's what I would say about them. They were very amazing and they were very affordable. I bought my 16-inch. It was 1,000. It already comes as a wig, a little bit pre-plucked. It's not much or massively pre-plucked. And yeah, I'm still gonna work with the hair a lot just to style it and to do other things. But generally, I love that store and I'm definitely gonna buy hair from them again. All right guys, that's it. I hope I gave you all the tips, but in case you have any question, please leave it in the comment section and comment with your question and like the video so that at least my videos are recommended to other people. And I love you. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.